welcome back to my channel and good morning. It's currently Friday, November 13th, and today is when the iPhone 12 Pro Max is launched, and I'm here to pick up mine since I did the pre-order, and I'm so excited. I'm running a little bit late, so I'm gonna catch y'all up when I come back. Hey guys, so I'm back and I just picked up the phone and I got so excited that I couldn't wait to get home and open it up. So I have it here with me in the passenger seat. So for today I got the Pacific Blue and it's in this packaging, as y'all can see. It's half the size of the the other iPhones, like the 11 Pro Max, the 10 XS Max, or that's the XS Max. And yeah, and that's because there's no charger or the charger box. But yeah, I also got the phone case, so I got a white one. And yeah, I'm so excited. So yeah, so let's unwrap it. Okay, I'm gonna leave that in the bag. Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Here it is. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oops. Y'all, look at this. Okay, ready to see the front? Ta-da! Oh my goodness, I always get a darker phone, like the black one. Like, I was so indecisive about getting the graphite, but oh my goodness, I really love this. It's so pretty. And it's bigger than usual. It's a little bit heavier than what I'm used to. Like, right now I'm using this, and yeah. It's definitely bigger, I have to say, by a little bit. This is the biggest iPhone that they've created so far. So yeah, I'm gonna put that down, and then I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. So we have the paperwork where you the stickers and all that is in. So yeah, and then the little SIM thing pop out, the SIM card, the charger, and that's pretty much it. So if you're gonna get this phone, I would definitely recommend that you buy the box, or if you have the iPad Pro, you could just plug it into that and that'll work too, since they don't have the regular USB input. So yeah, and then I'm gonna open this up. So this is the case. This is the white one, like I said. I'm struggling. Alrighty, and here's the case. It is cute. It's really neutral. Like, at first I thought it was like more of a nude when you look at it far distance, but now I see the white. It's probably because of when I was inside the building. I also got another case from this local phone store. And I'm gonna take that, put this in there. I really need to get a screen protector because I'm so scared, because I'm a mess. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so cute. And I'm gonna turn it on. Waiting for the Apple icon. There it is. Ta-da! I'm gonna grab the other case real quick. Okay. So I have this other clear case. I'm gonna open this one too. See what this one is like. I love buying cases. Like, that's my biggest addiction. It's such a bad addiction of mine. Okay. Here's the clear case. Actually, this clear case is nice too. I'm gonna take this out. I don't want to make it fall. Y'all, I'm struggling. Like, I'm just afraid that I'm gonna drop it. Okay, I got it out. I can't get this case in. Okay, I got it. Yay! So here, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. Cancel, English, United States. I'm gonna set it manually. Oh crap. Well, I have to go home and set it up. Or let me choose a network. Okay, so I have to go home and set it up. I'll be right back. Okay, hey guys. So I'm back home now. I'm gonna get this set up. Okay, a final walkthrough of what it looks like now that it's finished set up. So here, slide it up, and then you have this. And then I'm gonna make another video of the apps and all that I'm gonna have on it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye.